Hey everyone, welcome back to another YouTube video, and in this video I'll be showing you guys how to hide active status on your Instagram. Don't want people to see when you're online on Instagram. Here's how you hide your active status. Open Instagram app, then go to your profile and then tap on the three lines in the top right corner. Next, select settings and privacy, and then scroll down to the section called how others can interact with you. Then tap messages and story replies. Next, show activity status. Now if it was turned on, just turn it off. And then this is how you can turn your hide active status on Instagram on. If you use the Threads or Messenger integration with Instagram, make sure the active status is off there too. And that's it. You can now use Instagram without anyone knowing you're online. I hope this video helped you guys on how you can turn your Instagram active status on. If it did, let me know in the comments. Give this video a thumbs up to help others too, and hey, if you like simple tech fixes like this, consider subscribing for more. Thank you guys so much for watching, and